same you wet up uniform there? What am I going to do? Turn up and make a uniform jive on them?
Yeah, madness.
Where you sleep Friday night in a wet up uniform? Which party in sleep?
And what if
people that phone?
If I'm in the era, what if other people that see me? Can't be you alone.
Lie.
If you
them
see me in the
tell
public.
Speedy lie.
Big lie.
Then lie like Chinese carpet. Lie. After the girl, the hyena go down. Let me tell you something. I feel like I when me them are the hyena, the two last person to see Jayden alive ever.
Them are the two last.
That's my belief.
Yeah.
Let me show you something. Oi, let me show you something, Speedy. You see the hyena? The hyena tell a whole bunch of. Better me say so me a play back our interview the other day. Me I say hold on. Yeah, me did me silent. I said yeah. Because watch this now. You know me notice throughout the whole interview, and she alone. But the whole interview, give it two things. Two things she give it by herself when nobody else to collaborate her back up at. She said she give it 2 times. She said 550. Is it no lie? 650 and 709. She is the only person that give us 2 exact time frame.
Yeah.
Right? She said she reached at the hospital 7:09. When she got to the hospital, she said, Mommy, Daddy, and them are. Then them stay with me for an hour. You follow?
Yeah.
Come here, I said to you?
Yeah.
7:09 with an hour on top of that. That would be 8:09. And that's how I go.
Yes, man. It have been 9
right?
o'clock after
then,
9 and everything.
Then the crocodile say she go now after that hour that she spend as like a mother's for half an hour.
One next half an hour.
Then try call that's at 9:39. Then call Jayden, then I get Jayden, Ray, blah blah blah. Right? Them are said if I call Jayden your son and Ray. No, I lie them I tell. Because hear this now. Hear me tell I lie them I tell. At 8 o'clock that we just reach up to, you know. Right? Forget all the KFC and the mothers and all of them things. We just check it out according to the hyena and we get to 8 o'clock. The principal come out and state that about 7 o'clock he get a phone call from the guardian who tell him what happened 7 o'clock. Now, if the mother was in the hospital till 8:09 according to the hyena, how the hell she gonna reach home 7 o'clock for call the principal and tell the principal 7 o'clock say Jayden you come home? How is that possible? And you're at the hospital till after 8. How you do that, my lady?
And Tiger, first thing again, if you in a mother's so late, yeah, and you're gonna call a little boy for get him food and you not get him, our next house in the yard, you're gonna call that next person and tell him, go over the yard and knock over there and see if Jayden alright. Cause me I try to ring him and I'm not getting him. So all them things, them not even. You see, once Mr. T say him go.
Let me ask you one question, Speedy. Let me ask you one question. Because when I listen to this interview, you hear the things and you have to ask yourself a question. Am I hearing correctly? The lady said, and I am quoting, when she pulled up at the house, there was no light in her Jayden room. See? There wasn't any light. And she said to herself, I wonder if Jayden got to sleep so early. Key word here, sir, is early. So let me ask you one question now, many people. If you get to your house, Speedy, after 9 p.m. at night, and your daughter or your son is sleeping after 9, would you call it early?
No, it's standard at that time, because it's standard sleeping at that time.
Alright, so that is why I say I be like the people I tell. You know the reason why she say she wonder if Jayden can sleep so early, because that match up with the time when she phoned the principal, which was before 7.
Yeah.
So she get at the yard by 6 going to 7, and that is the reason why she principal could tell her say she call him about 7-ish.
Let me tell you, Mr. T.
I wonder if you follow me.
100%. Mr. T run got the police station and then change his mind. Because Mr. T asked him, what to do with Jayden? And he run got the police station, but because I'm daughter and son, in changing mind. You see, because there's nobody going to report somebody missing so early.
Let me tell you something, Speedy. And that's the next reason why I honestly believe it's Demar. You know why I honestly believe it's Demar? You want me to give my reason why I believe it's Demar? The amount of shit what them done to Mr. T. And then do it with the intention when Mr. T can't push the culprit under the bus. Because if Shanice and Mr. T pick me up.
He wrote the station and change his mind, Tiger. He got the station to report it.
Yes, but this is what I said to you. Yes, but you know, I don't think you follow me I say no. I don't think you follow me I say.
I follow you.
The reason why them can do all of the shit for them I do to Mr. T because I feel like it was not Shanice that coming up. And that's why I feel it was Demar. And Demar, although I know Mr. T pick me now. Demar register and Mr. T, so he knows Mr. T. Nah, go shot the pit between la.
I last boy that.
Nah, go shot the pit between la.
Yeah, I last boy.
So that's why they can do what them do to him right at this minute and then no saying can't chat.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to chat for your own picnic.
Yeah.
That's why it makes. And alright. Let me show you all of the clues of my music and fit Demar in that puzzle. When Demar got school when Jayden got school in the morning, ironically, Demar not seen none at all according to them. When the baby Japan broke his foot, Demar was at shop. Demar is always away from Jayden. Them place Demar away from Jayden every single chance they get. You know that one time they said that Demar see Jayden
come back. His mother said him left go home in a before day 6 in the morning and you ask him to come back for you go to toilet. So then keep on take him away from there every time.
All the while. From Friday night.
Yes, they keep placing him somewhere.
Them are allegedly low say them are to see Jayden again. And the one time when they make a mistake and place them together, asleep. Them asleep. Yeah. Asleep. Them asleep. You hear me?
Yeah, because
people they feel like they take people for idiots.
If you guys gonna go in those hours so late, there's no way the older boy is gonna wait before the younger one. No matter how late the younger one or the lazy older one got bed late, gonna want to sleep.
But when me want to know, big up yourself, Lucy. When me want to know, right? I want to know how them so skilled. How them so skilled because even then, when the mother say, hey, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. A beer lie them tell that is the reason why you see them all over the place like that.
I'm not even calling it skill, but just call it say whosoever investigate them really joke with this thing and then not listen TikTok. I'm not call it skill because in a serious murder case and you tell a lie. That's alone they will umpire and all let you go because why you lie?
Then alright, so that's why I'm telling you I can't trust all the police system I have.
Yeah.
Can't hear this now. I'm sure I can't trust the police system. See? Speedy, me and you know this. And this is not with opinion, this is what we know. If a man go missing in a United Kingdom or a woman go missing in a United Kingdom, that the CCTV footage they have both over our country.
Same time, every minute, and program on the TV, they would have program on the TV and get smaddies for act like the person.
Act and do it. Like the person. When they call us reenactment reconstruction or whatever.
Yeah, reconstruction. Yeah, to pull up people mind.
When the old Jezebel come on the interview, come tell we say, we the public don't have any right to see it. So how the hell we are going to for the down there the day? How the hell we are going to get to the I'm wicked and wicked.
Yeah. And then see that Jamaica, you know, if you think of it, you know, them do the same reconstruction at Jamaica as well, you know. In a them crime
of course.
Thing. Them do the same thing at Jamaica as well.
Course. So
you
come and tell them what I wanted, man. This. I put up man picture on TV. Them have crime Wednesday and crime Tuesday and crime Thursday.
Yes, Tiger. Remember, yes. Yes, and put up what them know and what they lost to the person. And if they analyze someone, they show who them analyze and when they lost it. So I don't know how this sounds so different. And that's why I say, I can't understand that one because everything different. So much liar tell, they still not get arrested yet. And all that. I don't know what's going on here because if police ever listen to TikTok alone, the amount of thing where they can get, just as where you are repeat them and replay them over and over, how where them can get. So I don't understand how these people they still walking. Even if none of them did wanna lie. Why Uncle T say in give the key in the morning when they say come 2 o'clock? They need to get to the bottom of that. They can't just drop that like that. The police them need to come intercom national and prove that, say why we prove that part that make everybody can know.
You see something Speedy. I tell you this right now, you know. You see, if I did have the power as a police or somebody in authority, that the two things alone may use and put the whole of them in a sweat box. You see the 2 o'clock and the 10 o'clock, like the 10 a.m. and the 2 p.m. that alone be put in like, you have to come explain what this is to me.
Yeah. And the 6 o'clock and go police station so early and go report him this. Yeah man, more than
right. You see that the part again? You see that the part because I remember, you know. Remember this not speaking, they come on TV come say when somebody in the box asks them say, what is the latest time Jayden has ever come home from school? The woman say minutes to 6. Right?
Yeah.
Minutes to 6. So as a police officer, I have to go ask you now, so alright. So your child come home minutes to 6, right? And a normal day when there's sunshine and the evening nice and bright. And the day when rain fall. Day when rain fall, him not come home 6:30. So 32 minutes or 35 minutes from him average time, and you feel say a station you have to come, so.
First thing you do, I got the tongue go say for my eagle.